Okay, so today I'll be doing something different. I'll be trying recipe I found on TikTok. Those are chocolate and fruit clusters, and they look delicious. And since I like chocolate and fruit separately, I think together this is gonna be so good. So I'm doing this at home. Today I'll be trying with raspberry and pomegranate. I love both of these fruit, so let's hope it works. This recipe is so easy. We're gonna start with smashing our raspberries that are already washed and dried. Now we're going to add like tiny bit of plain Greek yogurt. Next, I'm gonna add this raspberry syrup, tiny bit, just for a little sweetness. Oh, I think I put too much. Oh well. Our raspberries are ready to go to freezer. I'm gonna keep them there for like an hour, maybe longer. At the same time, I'll be doing pomegranate the same way as I did raspberries, except I'm gonna smash them. So I'll see you when everything is frozen. The chocolate is melted. I use this one. This is one from Walmart. It's almond bark. I didn't realize that it has like pieces of almonds inside. What can I do? It's not as smooth, but that's what we're dealing with. Here are my raspberry clusters, like fruit before chocolate, and pomegranate right here. Okay, let's do this. Chocolate won't stay. One out. Oh my gosh, what a disaster. Look at them. This looks horrible. The chocolate started absorbing the raspberries and everything started melting together and it's all one big blob. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer anyway, and I'm gonna make new chocolate, and hopefully we can save the pomegranate ones. My new chocolate is ready. It's a dark chocolate. It looks better. I'm gonna be smarter about it. So now I'm gonna actually place chocolate on my parchment paper, and I'm gonna put pomegranate on top, and then I'm gonna drizzle. This way maybe we can avoid the melting stuff. So let's, this is hot, holy cow. So we're gonna put little pieces of chocolate, melted chocolate. Holy, what am I using? This has hole, oh my gosh. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but something definitely is wrong. All right, let's hope that works. Okay, now we're gonna, oh my gosh, they're already falling apart. Boom, boom, and boom, and boom. Please stay, don't melt. Now we're gonna do this really fast. We're gonna just drizzle, and let's hope this works. So, I don't know how to drizzle, so I'm gonna just pretend that I know what I'm doing. Oh. Okay, this one. Oh, how pretty. At least they look better than the other ones. Okay, not terrible. So I'm gonna sprinkle these ones with some pecans. Why not? I'm gonna add some fresh pieces of pomegranate, so they look nicer. And if they're gonna stick, I don't know. Now out of the freezer, the drama continues. They are melting, so I'm gonna be fast. Here is the blob. With raspberries. I'm gonna try them in a second. This is prettier version with pomegranate. They look actually nice, very aesthetic. Let's just hope they taste good as well. So I'm gonna go with the one that melts. What did I do wrong? Okay, let's do this. Pretty good. This is not bad, except for the dripping part. Very good. Time to try the pomegranate ones. They're really actually cute. So let's start with this one. See, this worked actually. Nothing is dripping. The juices from pomegranate dissolving in your mouth with chocolate and nuts. Oh my gosh. These are actually good. They don't look too pretty. They were not easy for me to make, but I could safely name them dish delish because of the taste. So please tell me what I did wrong, because I definitely did something wrong. Correct me, I will do it again, because I want this to work. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me for more recipes, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone!